Alright guys, I was able to order in some more brakes. They finally came in stock, and these are for the orange build here. Let's open up our box and see what came. Staples and tape. Well, at least you know you're not. At least you know it's not coming out of the box. Move your nose. Got stuff in here. Okay. All right. Brake pads. I'm gonna assume. I guess this is the one that they come in. Alright, here's our brake pads. They come with the retaining clips. Like. As normal, your instruction sheet. Okay, now this should be the ring. Looks like we got both the rotor center caps are in here. Alright, now they label this one. You have to buy the brake lines separate for the kit. So here is our lines. Let me give you the part thing. And this is actually the caliber in here. Let's take a look at this 6-piston caliber. Look at this bugger. That thing right there. That's definitely pretty. So they give you some stickers down in here. Mounting brackets for that. What else we got? Adapters for the lines and the clips. I opted to go with the black. I think it's going to look a whole lot nicer on the orange. So let's open this one up. I did order a oil cap for this. Since I was in here, help dress up the engine bay just a little bit. The one that I have actually was just a temporary one. I figured, save a couple bucks on shipping since I'm buying this. We can just ship it right along. All right. So. What we got in here? This one here. Here's our oil cap. Just the MPX aluminum oil cap. And then here's your bolts for the rotor. I guess these are the caliber bracket bolts. And more caliber bracket bolts, I think. So that stuff's all in there. And the other piston, the 6 pistons, they do have an arrow on them, so they are directional, unlike the 4 pistons. Okay. I opted to go with the black calibers and drilled rotors. So that's what both of them look like. I think they show an arrow for direction, and they are. One's left and one's right. That's just how they're made. So we got everything here. We got the big brake kit, you know, for this car. Like I said in the post, not only is it gonna go fast and look good, it's gonna stop quick. And that's kind of what you need to have it do, especially when you're making this kind of power that we're planning to have being made from this here. Okay. Let's get all this stuff back in this box. And I just got like so many things here all over. All right. So now that we got that done, let's see what this let's see what this oil cap looks like on here. Take off our temporary. Nice new polished oil cap. You don't have to worry about direction or anything like that. Alright, so that's the brake kit. That's the 6-piston kit. Just kind of a quick unboxing. I just got this thing the other day and I really wanted to see what it looked like. Just as with the 4-piston kit, I'll do a side-by-side and we can see a weight comparison. And I'll go over the install on the 6-piston kit also, just like I did on the 4. Can't wait to get this thing up and running so we can actually use these things. So I'll see you guys in the next one.